like that toy, Daddy. You want another round?
Yeah, one more.
Okay, Lena, you know how to push a button? Here, you push. Ready?
Help her out. There we go.
Silly! Wow! 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 Look at Elizabeth chasing all the balls around. I think Elizabeth's going to get tired of this toy really fast.